How does an investor look at a team and get underneath the hood and figure out if leader's worth following?
Yeah, and that's where I think you have to do your due diligence and do your research, especially this day and age, especially with younger investors. People will buy off of headlines or hype, but you need to do your research on those individuals and their backgrounds. Like you said, do they have a good track record? Are they well known in their field? What was the last few deals that they're on? These are all important things to consider. And again, a diverse team that has that different sets of backgrounds, right? And then beyond that, I mean, you have to consider the actual projects and the assets of the company. You have to consider what they're working on and if that's something that's really going to be able to make an impact on the markets that they're serving. And not only that, is that product able to be understood, comprehended, digested by an investor within a few minutes of a pitch? Again, seen a lot of really great products and offerings, really great teams with funding, but if the product takes 20 minutes to explain, or if you're talking about mining, if the asset is very complex or it's way up north or whatever reason it might be, if the product that you're trying to sell is too complicated, then you're not going to be able to sell your paper to an investor. So it has to be the right time, the right people, access to capital, the right project or product. And then of course you need your ability to communicate to the market. I would say that's the last cornerstone, is you need to have a succinct message. You need to have a powerful brand that resonates with your investor community. It doesn't need to resonate with the entire market, doesn't need to necessarily resonate with your neighbor or the guy down the street at the convenience store, but you need to have a brand that appeals to your investor demographic.